Subscribe for mildly good content.
Bro, I didn't even like.
No, relax. That was an accident.
An accident shot me 3 times in the liver, bro. And you call that a goddamn accident? Okay, but when I accidentally burn down the hospital, they say that's a felony? Sure, bud.
When I'm older, I can get you on my very own Nerf gun. And I will have the big dark guitar bullet.
Get out my way.
Let me in! Let me in! This is like something you could pick up at Goodwill. I'm not even joking. Bro, I just saved your cheeks, bro. Peep, get on the road!
Bro.
Peep, watch out! I just saved your life. Frick. Oh my, get out my car! Get out my, oh my god, who are you, bro? Get out my car, bro! Dude, you don't make my earthquake. Jesus Christ! Oh my god! Oh my god! GB weebies, dude! Holy freaking smokes! Hey, you wanna hop in? Man, Peep, you didn't even have to come to this, man.
2 stacks. Fuck.
I gotta put you down.